Imagine a new world, where Mars becomes our second home, built by the precision of 3D printing. Today's space pioneers harness 3D printing, turning regolith into robust Martian dwellings. Each layer cements a future where Mars colonization is not just possible, but sustainable. Challenges of space exploration demand innovation. 3D printing answers with versatility. From habitats to hydroponics, 3D printing promises self-sufficiency on the red planet. Imagine a day when Martian schools teach children using tools printed just hours before. The gap narrows as we print not just objects, but the very walls that shelter dreams. Sustainability on Mars hinges on our ability to create, innovate, and adapt with each print. The Martian frontier is vast, but 3D printing technology makes it a place to call home. As Earth's sun sets, a new dawn on Mars rises with the hum of printers at work. Our red neighbor awaits, a canvas for human ingenuity, painted with 3D printed innovation. Join us in envisioning a future where Mars thrives, sculpted by the technology of today.